Used to be a Romeo, till I found my Juliet. Now I don't roll no more.
Hello, good morning everyone. Now the time is 2 a.m. and then I'm in Coach Bihar and I'll be traveling to Dimapur, and then I'll try to cover around 580 kilometers. Hello, now I've started entering Assam state and then West Bengal. From West Bengal to Assam, it takes like 1 hour. Now it's starting of Assam state, and then from here to Guwahati I will drive for around 300 kilometers. So guys, I'll update later. It's quite big, and then the water is not very clear. I think it's polluted and it looks very deep there, and then here, and then it's the bridge. It's quite long. Yeah, and then here it's quite long. And then I'll show you the other side. Okay, just 1 second. Here. And then the bridge. Yeah, like this. It's really very foggy here, and it's still in the Assam. And then from my location to the Guwahati city, I think it will be around 100 kilometers from here. And then I'm driving slowly, and then as you can see, I'm indicating my signal light, and I'm driving very slowly. It's quite foggy. Okay, now we have reached Guwahati. Weather is quite foggy today, but it's good for us because it's not so sunny. And then now we won't be stopping here. Guwahati will straightly go to Dimapur. After Guwahati city, now I'll go straight to Dimapur. I was just having some snacks here besides the road, and I was also taking rest. Okay, this is Guwahati to Dimapur road. It's quite big. We have 7 kilometers to reach Silchang. We have 22 kilometers to reach Nagaland so far. So we are yet to enter Nagaland state. The road condition is quite good. The other side is also, I think it's quite good. I can't see right now. The sun is really clear. It's very hot. And as you see, I'm driving at a speed of 60 to 70 kilometers per hour today. Then my fuel tank has gone half since I'm driving from the morning, and then my temperature is okay. is there. Let's see. We are having our morning meal at Assam. Hello guys, we haven't reached Dimapur yet. I think we have to travel for around 200 kilometers to reach Dimapur. So on the way, let me just take rest and then let me have some drink and I'll show you. This one. Okay. Besides this, we have a special item here. Cutting the same later, cutting the later. Okay, made of bamboo. ये कितना है? 1,800. अच्छा. This one is 1,800. And that one?
4,000.
एक piece का 4,000.
2 piece.
How much?
2 piece, 4,000.
Oh, 2 piece का 4,000. अच्छा. Cutting ना हिला. अच्छा. And many more. Oh. Local product ना? Local product. अच्छा. Okay. Here. Okay. Yeah, even sit. Okay. Many other interesting items here. I think this will be flower pot. Yeah. The basket is also there. The flower pot is there. Okay guys, I'm going again. Next stop, I'll shoot the video again. Bye. Then we have another toll tax here. Let's see whether we'll give or not. Oh, I think we'll be paying the toll tax. Let's see which land we are going. Okay, let's follow this car. Okay. Now I'm heading to Dimapur and this is the toll tax gate. We have to pay. Everyone has to pay here. Okay. Right now I've paid the toll tax rupees 230. So there at West Bengal I gave 270. So altogether 500 rupees. Here it is still in Assam and monkeys are roaming around on the road freely. Nice one. Yes, another monkey. now it's about to reach Nagaland, and then Dimapur is, we have 100 kilometers from my location. I'll have to travel more 100 kilometers to reach Dimapur, and then Imphal is 304, Kohima 170. So let's see how far I can go today. Hello guys. Right now we have reached Nagaland. Okay, now the time is 6:10, and then we have reached Nagaland, and it's near the Dimapur, and then the decoration for Christmas is really beautiful here, really bright. Wow. Search, they are decorating for Christmas like this. Such a good and wonderful decoration. Again, this is the decoration there at Dimapur. Hello guys, right now I'm refueling my tank. I'll start my journey again from Dimapur, and I'll reach Manipur today. Kilometers to reach Mount. We're starting the journey from Dimapur. We have reached Kohima. Then this is Kohima's condition, road condition. It's very small, very congested. And then the house was built like that. Guys, we have reached Manipur, and then it's already almost reaching the Imphal, and then we'll go to Ukhrul today itself. So from Imphal to Ukhrul it will be around 80 kilometers, or it will take around 3 to 3.5 hours. It's raining, so we can't drive too fast. So we'll try to reach home today itself. Hello guys, another update again. Since it's very rainy and the mud is very slippery in the road, we take a longer route again, which we go at Lungpu village, which is in Ukhrul district, Manipur. So the road is quite small, and then it's quite muddy. No, sorry, it's quite foggy here. See the road. That's that. And then the time is 5:07 p.m. So we'll see at what time we reach our destination. Time is almost 7 p.m.